What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you all are having a great weekend, and if this is the first time you stopping by, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can stay tuned for all of our future videos. And of course, in today's episode, it is that time yet again. We have a mail call. Now, this box right here is from Sergeant Mufasa. We worked out a trade. I don't even remember what I traded for, but we also scored some goodies out in the wild. And check this out, 1979 Mustang Cobra out of Greenlight's Hot Hatch series. This is series 2. And I gotta say, I was stoked to find this, man, because I don't have too many 79 Cobras. I have one right up top, which is the Cobra T5, which is the overseas version of the Fox body, or Mustangs in general. I don't think they can use Mustang. I think they have to use T5. You guys let me know down in the comments, but I'm pretty sure that is an accurate statement. Other than that, I don't have any other 79 Fox bodies in the collection. We have the Mustang 2s, we have the 80s, but 79 is one of those that I rarely have. We have a lot of Fox bodies, just 79s are kind of hard to come by, which, no, I don't even have one over there. We also have some older Fox bodies here, but that's beside the point, guys. We did score a beautiful Greenlight Cobra for the collection. Also from Target, check this out, a new recolor for the 2-pack. These two have been coming together for a while. You have the black 86 SVO with the black 5 spokes. That thing is sick, man. I love a blacked out Mustang, and especially when it comes to an SVO, I love getting these into the collection. We have a couple other versions. You had the red one with the Cougar XR7. Then you had the dark blue or grayish blue with the tan Cougar RX-7. Then you had the red Camaro and the gray SVO. And now we see it in black with the blue IROC. But yeah, Pony Power, man. Target exclusive 2-pack. And then also from Hobby Lobby, we scored the 97 Mustang Cobra. Check that out. It's a beautiful blue metallic. You got the really nice details, real riders, of course. And then on the license plate, it has Snake. But yeah, I do have another Cobra somewhere around here. And I want to say it's a 97 as well. I could have sworn I had a blue one. Maybe I'm thinking of this orange one I have down here, because I have this one right here. Man, I want to say I have another one somewhere. Like I always say, guys, I have them. I really need to reorganize this. But anyways, another 97 Cobra, such a beautiful one right here. So this is what we found out in the wild on my birthday when the wife and I went out. And of course, always excited to find new Mustangs for the collection. And you guys know, it's hard. There's a lot of Mustangs out there that I do have, but there's also so many out there that I don't have. So it's always fun, always entertaining. But let's get straight into the package from Sergeant Mufasa. He did say there's a note right there. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we traded for. All right, check that out. All right, says MHD, thanks for the trade. No race car for the track. I did send a parts van for a track maintenance and some extras. Nice, my dude. All right, let's see, because I do not remember what I traded for. Oh, wait, whoa, ho, 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 this thing is full. Hold on. All right, let's go ahead and get this all situated. Oh, nice, dude. We got some stickers. Heck yeah. Let's see, which ones do we have? All right, we got another Jeep one for you Jeep lovers out there. And then we also have, Bonfire Brewing. It's Eagle, Colorado. And we have Longmont Bingo. Dude, these are definitely going on the track. We have Marco Vincent. Oh, the Philippines. Dude, nice. Dude, that's sick. Love it. All right, and then we got Denver Loft Sessions. There we go. And then we have Loveland Ale Works. This is also from Colorado. Nice, man. Yeah, I'm definitely going to throw those on the track. Like I said, guys, I love adding stickers to the scene. But, dude, the Philippine one, man, you got to let me know where you found that. But look at this. Dude, Rusty Wallace and Dale freaking Sr. That is awesome. And check it out. You got some rub wear from the tires. Oh, dude, that is sweet. Definitely going to add this to the Dale Sr. collection. A lot of photos of his car, but I don't think I had one of Rusty Wallace. Check that out, man. That is cool. I'm sure you NASCAR guys out there can let me know some more info on this specific race. Drop it down below. Love reading that stuff. Oh, here we go. We got a Go Light. Don't know what that is from. You guys let me know. All right, first one out. Ooh, we got a loose car right here. First one right here, guys. Check it out. The signed and autographed Mark Martin. Dude, that is freaking awesome. Oh, dude, that is awesome. Gosh, look at that. NASCAR 2000, you got the pit crew. This is one I definitely do not have in the collection. Not because of the whole package and deal and all that, but I don't have this livery, especially in the chrome. I have a large 124 scale, which is down there. Is it down there? Yeah, well, I got the chrome, gold chrome. But yeah, dude, this is awesome. Real pit crew sounds. Oh, let's push the button. Does it work? Ah, it doesn't work, but check it out. Got some more in the back. You got the Valvoline toolbox, some stacked tires. Dude, that is sweet, but look at that, man. And yeah, there we go. Check it out. Photo of him actually signing this case. Look how yellow it is. This is just oxidation from sunlight, UV light, and look how new it was. I wonder when he signed that. I should send it to him in a message. I've only talked to him once on Instagram. He actually commented on one of the ones that I posted of his car that I have in the collection. I should send this to him. But dude, there we go, man. Ah, that is epic. And this is like the 4th or 5th autographed Mark Martin item that I have in the collection. And you guys know, being my favorite driver, that is just super cool. And then here we go. Yep, this is the Mustang I remember trading for. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh, that is nice. Dude, that is gorgeous. Blue metallic, you got the number 1, and of course, just the red line wheels alone look great on there. Man, that tooling is gorgeous. And there you go. Beautiful underhood. Much better in person. All right, let's see. Next up, what do we have here? Ooh, check this out. Oh, dude. That is freaking sweet. Oh, man. Look how wicked that 57 Bel Air is. Holy crap, that is nice. Dude, that candy red with the flames. Looks like you got a crate motor in the back, full roll cage. Dude, that is sick looking. Look at that. Suicide doors, man. They need to bring that back. Man, that is a wicked 57 Chevy, man. That's definitely the first in the collection right there. Next up. Oh, man. Oh, I forgot about this. Dude, this one right here, guys. This is sweet. This is the stuff. Man, here we go. 30th anniversary of 67 muscle cars. Oh, yes, dude. God, dude, that is nice. Love it. You got the 67 Camaro, beautiful 67 Mustang in that nice, almost like a canary yellow or chartreuse. That mint green is beautiful. And then here we go, 67 GTO. God, such iconic cars in one case, dude. This is a Hot Wheels collectibles, and I don't even know when this was released. Let's see, hold on. Let's see, can we get some info on the bottom? Looks like a 97 release. Not for use with some Hot Wheels sets. There you go, that's collector number 3863, limited edition. Man, that looks so good. Dude, thank you so much, man. Man, that is awesome. All right, let's see. We got some more loose ones. Ooh, we got a 65 convertible. I think this is out of the 4 decades of pony power, which I do have, but look at that. Gosh, that looks good. At least I don't have to open up mine, but man, this is gorgeous. And look at that detail. That is beautiful. That is, man, at least I don't have to open up my pack for this one. Nice. Let's see, next up, Metal on Metal 65. You got this beautiful pearl white with the baby blue, orange, and black stripe. Man, got the basic black walls on there. Yeah, that is gorgeous. Man, white on white. Dude, nice. I gotta put some lotion on, man. My hands are like dry. I guess this negative 21 degrees isn't helping much. Let's see, next up. Oh, there we go. We have another one from the 4 decades of pony power. Look at that green, man. God, this is sweet. And it's awesome because I do have a loose 96 from that set. So now I officially have all 3 loose. And this is gorgeous. Check that out, man. A Hot Wheels Vintage 1968 casting license. It's just the custom Mustang, but that green metallic is beautiful. All right, let's see. Next up. Oh, here we go. This is out of the Matchbox. I think it's a multi-pack car. Got the parts delivery van. There we go. This is actually going to go onto the track. We got our little parts store here, so we'll just put that there for right now. Just a couple more things left. Oh my gosh, dude. You got the Philippine Jeepney. Dude, look at that. Nice. Nice, dude. Visaya. Yeah, that's what my wife is. She's Visayan. Dude, look at that, man. That is cool. Now, for those that are new to the channel, yes, my wife's Filipino. And of course, I love collecting Jeepneys because of that. So we do have a pretty small collection, but my wife got me this from the Philippines. In-laws got me that. And then the one up top I found at a little kids store. It was like in a goodie bag for like $3. Definitely had to pick that up. But yeah, dude, this one is super cool. Dude, thank you so much for that, man. All right, let's see. Next up, we have, it looks like a Camaro. There we go. Look at that. Dude, that is sick. What is this from? Got the beautiful pearl yellow Copo Camaro. I don't think I have this one. Let me see. It's got to be in this one. Oh, I do have it right there. So we have all the Copos. This one is the latest one from the multi-pack. And there we go. We have a second one. Nice. Thought so, but wasn't sure. Here we go. So just a duplicate Camaro for the collection. We'll just put that one up there. Mustang guy with a whole lot of Camaros and Corvettes. So there we go, guys. This was the trade between me and Sergeant Mufasa. Again, thank you so much for the trade. This autographed pit crew from Racing Champions. Dude, that is awesome. You got the freaking epic photo right here. Dale Sr., Rusty Wallace. Like I said, let me know some info down below between these two. And of course, the race. I want to know what year this was because I can't really tell off of his Monte Carlo, but dude, that is epic. And of course, the 67 Muscle Car Series from Hot Wheels. That is awesome. The 57 Chevy. Man, that is just beautiful. The freaking Jeepney, man. That is, dude, thank you so much for that. And of course, we got some awesome loose Mustangs to add to the collection. And aside from that, the ones we found out in the wild. Gotta love it. So this is all we have for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and, of course, any info you have on anything you saw. But like I always say, guys, give this video a huge thumbs up. And, of course, stay tuned until next time. This is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.